Hey everyone, welcome back to PokePuzzlePalm. Today we are finishing the Charmander evolution line. The sketch is where it all begins. I'm not just drawing Charizard, I'm designing the log at the same time. I don't even know yet which Pokemon will connect here next. So this small segment has to stay clean, balanced and flexible. I tried to keep all Pokemon roughly the same size so the map feels consistent. But some characters simply can't be made smaller without losing their presence. Charizard is one of them. On the base shape is ready, I move into detail sculpting. This is where Charizard starts to look alive. I refine the wings, shape the jaw, sharpen the claws and build the frame. Every adjustment makes the silhouette stronger. Now the eyes. I print them on photo paper, carefully cut them out and insert them into the sculpted sockets. This is always the moment when the character stops feeling like clay and starts feeling real. Now it's time for magnets. This is where design turns into engineering. First, I determine exactly where the pieces will connect. The magnets need to sit perpendicular to the closing line, even if that line curves. It doesn't have to be mathematically perfect, but the direction must follow the structure of the lock. I can't place neighboring magnets too close to each other. Now comes the real test, the connection. You might notice that Charizard doesn't slide in completely freely. I need just a little extra pressure with my finger to push the pieces together. It's tight, not loose. Perfect, that's another piece secure. The fire section on the map just got stronger. If you've been following this project, you know every piece changes the future ones. So now the only question is, who connects next?